Hey everyone, today I'm checking out the Norllben magnetic case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, and I got the blue color version. Norllben sent this out to me for review, but as always, everything I share is based on my own experience. So inside the box, the first thing you get is the patch installation kit. Next is the screen protector, already sized for the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. And finally, you get the case itself, simple, clean, and everything you need to get started. This blue version looks really clean in person. You get the translucent matte back, a smooth frame, and the built-in magnetic ring stand that sits flat when you're not using it. It's fully MagSafe compatible thanks to the strong magnets inside, and you get raised bezels around the camera and screen for protection. The case is lightweight, it is not bulky, and the matte finish helps with fingerprints. So here's where this case really impressed me. Because it's MagSafe compatible, I can attach all my external SSDs while filming videos on the S26 Ultra. That's huge for my workflow, especially when recording long clips and log profile videos. When we went on our trip through Arizona and Utah, this case was super helpful. I had it mounted on a MagSafe compatible car mount with charging, and the magnet held the entire time. There's no falling, even on long drives and rougher roads. I've also been using my new portable MagSafe charger with it, and it snaps on perfectly every time. And that ring on the back, it is super useful. When I'm at the desk editing or just watching YouTube, it becomes a stand. I can place it portrait or landscape, and it works both ways. So far, I'm really loving this case. The blue color looks great, it's lightweight, the magnets are strong, the stand is actually useful, and it's not pricey at all. If there's one thing I think Norllben could improve, it would be adding a 360-degree rotating ring. That would make the stand even more flexible for different viewing angles. But overall, for the price and the features you get, this is a solid MagSafe ready case for my S26 Ultra. If you want to check this out, I will leave a link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.